Rohit sold car at 10% below CP to Amit. Amit got car repaired for 8,000 and sold to Rajesh at 20% profit. If CP of Rajesh is 98k, find CP of Rohit. 96,000 is the CP of Rajesh. Find the CP of Rohit. Ratio conversion of 10% loss will be 10 into 1 by 100, which is nothing but 1 by 10, and this is loss part and this is CP part. From this we can have SP by CP ratio, which is nothing but 10 minus 1 comes to 9 by 10. SP being less than CP because it is a loss. Now Amit sold to Rajesh at 20% profit after giving 8,000 for repairs. Now see, 20% profit can be converted, the ratio conversion is by 100 comes to 21's 5, so it is 1 by 5, so gain is 1 and CP is 5 rupees. Now SP by CP ratio for this will be 5 plus 1 because gain SP will be more than CP. Now this ratio is Rohit to Amit and this ratio is Amit to Rajesh. Here in the question it is been given that CP of Rajesh CP will be SP for Amit, and therefore this being the SP of Amit, it is 96,000. So 6 parts, if 6 parts is 96,000, then what is 5 parts? So this becomes 80,000. Now 80,000 is the CP of Amit. CP of Amit will be SP of Rohit. So this amount is not SP because Amit has also incurred 8,000 towards repair. So 80,000 less 8,000 will be SP of Rohit. Therefore 72k will be 72,000 is 9 parts SP. Then what is the 10 parts for CP, which will be 72,000 into 10 by 9. So CP of Rohit has come to 80,000 and he sold at 72,000 to Amit. And Amit, after adding 8,000 towards repairs, now 80,000 car was sold at 96,000 to Rajesh. This is the fact. Now we have arrived at CP of Rohit as 80,000. So this is the answer, rupees.